how to contact Airbnb support. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can contact Airbnb support, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to contact Airbnb support in a Google search browser, just go ahead and type in contact Airbnb, as you can see, and then you'll see the featured snippet, and then you'll see the number pop up, which is the customer service number 1-844-234-2500. You can see, need a little more help or have a complaint, you can simply contact us by email, chat, or phone number, depending upon whatever else you prefer. And make sure to drop a link to this article down in the description box below as well, so that you can go ahead and then contact Airbnb support directly. But in this case, what you can do is you can just go ahead and then basically copy this and then go ahead and directly call this number over here, as you will be able to find it. This way you'll be able to contact Airbnb support. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.